Welcome back, my lovely friends, welcome back to the channel. And yes, I hope you enjoyed last week the Miami Vice version cocktail with the coconut cream and all these kind of a lovely yummy things. So today I decided to go with another cocktail with the coconut cream. Since I made it, I have to use it. And I did enjoy a lovely holiday in Bulgaria, so I'm recording this video before I travel tomorrow to Bulgaria, and in the same time when I'm having the Miami Vice. So that's very confusing, but sometimes we gotta do things like that because I'm gonna go enjoy, see family and friends, travel with the kids, which is gonna be challenging, but I'll try to make the most of it. So today we're gonna do a Pina Colada but with sherry. So if you're ready, let's make a lovely Sherry Colada. Now first of all we have Palo Cortado Sherry. We're gonna split base with the Amontillado Sherry. Then we're gonna use Pedro Ximenez Sherry Sherry. Then we have obviously the coconut cream made in house, okay? Then we have a spice pineapple syrup. And of course we're gonna have some lime juice, and it can be pina colada or any version of pina colada without a pineapple juice. So let's start building. Okay, first we're gonna start with the Palo Cortado, and because it's a low ABV cocktail, we're gonna go with a healthy 1.5 ounces or a 45 ml of the Palo Cortado, and then exactly the same of the Amontillado Sherry. Now, for me, 1.5 ounces of each, it's absolutely fantastic. Now, for the sweetener, we're gonna use the pineapple spice syrup, which I made a few weeks ago. So we're gonna go with a 1/2 ounce or a 15 ml. Same amount of the lime juice, 15 ml or a 1/2 ounce. 1.5 ounces or a 45 ml of the coconut cream. Oh, beautiful. And to finish, we're gonna go with 2 ounces of the pineapple juice, or 60 ml. So let's give it a shake. I'm gonna use again 1 big cube of ice because I have a lot and I need to defrost my freezer, so I have to use it. So give it a good shake. Absolutely beautiful. We don't need this jigger anymore. Perfect glass for this cocktail. Crushed ice. Just enough space on the top to add a little bit more of crushed ice. Pedro Ximenez Sherry, little float on the top. It's gonna drop down because it's very heavy. And I forgot to mention one ingredient earlier, so I'm gonna use Angostura Bitters just to give a nice float on the top. I like it to have a little bit bitter, so maybe 5-6 dashes on the top, but just to give this kind of a darkness on the top and lovely kind of a bitterness to the cocktail, because you don't want to be extremely sweet with all these sherries going on. Okay, for a garnish, a wonderful pineapple and a pineapple froth as well, and one more pineapple inside in the actual glass, and finally a straw. We need a wonderful little just shake or stir straw. This is my Sherry Pina Colada. Cheers! And we did really well. It is fantastic. Combining these 3 sherries is giving you such a wonderful experience of flavor. It's just, you know it's a sherry, but then the Pedro Ximenez coming from the back end because it's a sweeter. And then obviously if you give it a little kind of a stir, you get the bitterness from the Angostura You get the spice coming from the pineapple spice syrup. Oh, summer is coming. I love that. And I want you to try. And I hope you're gonna watch the pineapple spice video and the Miami Vice video, the previous one, so you can make all this lovely coconut cream and the spiced pineapple syrup and try this at home, because who says sherry can make lovely cocktails? I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you as always next week with another cocktail. Don't forget, you can still send your recipes or requests for the cocktails. We're gonna have very shortly a cocktail from our top subscriber team, and I'll let you know more in the video when I do the cocktail. But for now, as always, I love you and I leave you. Bye bye.